something a little bit more decadent than what I usually make. I'm going to be creating a healthy vegan version of the Magnum Ego. I'm going to be using the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein powder, some coconut cream, some soaked cashews I've had soaking overnight, and some maple syrup to sweeten. So that'll be for the ice cream part. And then I've got some pitted Medjool dates, some coconut oil, and some sea salt for the salted caramel. And then I've simply just melted some dark vegan sugar-free chocolate, which I'm going to coat the ice creams in. However, you can also make your own chocolate at home if you wish, and I'll also pop a recipe down below for you to do that as well. So there's 3 parts to make this recipe. So to create the ice cream, I'm simply going to be adding the protein powder, the coconut cream, cashews, and maple syrup into the blender, blending everything together until it's nice and smooth, then pouring into these popsicle molds. And I'll be placing some little popsicle sticks in there too, and setting that in the freezer for about an hour until they're set. And then I'll be making the salted caramel simply by blending the Medjool dates and the melted coconut oil and sea salt in the blender until it's nice and smooth. Once the ice creams are set, I'm simply going to be coating them with some of the caramel sauce, placing that back into the freezer to set. I'll melt the chocolate, and once the popsicles are set again, I'm going to coat the ice cream with the melted chocolate. And you can also add some crushed nuts, some buckwheat groats or dried fruit on top too to serve.